Hi, my name is Michael. I'm the Chief Marketer and President of J&B Financial. We offer insurance, income tax planning, and income tax preparation services, and small business consulting services. For those of y'all who didn't know who I was and what I did, now customer service is very important. So we did some things that's going to help us leave you with a better customer service experience. So we've hired more agents, hired more tax preparers. That's the first thing. The second thing is that we had a second location. We've been so for a year. So we office near off of Scarsdale, which is heading southeast of Houston, which services southeast suburban Houston, which is Sagemont, Pasadena, parts of South Houston. Of course, Pearland, Old Pearland, in the 77581 zip code. Clear Lake in the Bay Area, Clear Lake, League City, Friendswood, etc., etc. So if you live in those areas, feel free to reach out to us at that office. If you live closer into town, Third Ward, Second Ward, surrounding areas, suburbs such as Fort Bend County, Missouri City, Stafford, Sugarland, etc. Or for further north, we have clients coming from the north side, Greenspoint, 1960, Spring, etc. Well, then if you have to meet in person, the Midtown will be better for you in Scarsdale. We have a remote service office. Pardon me, a remote service offering. 9 times out of 10, it's not really necessary for you to kind of come into the office unless you really want to, unless you have something you feel that needs to be explained out, like in person. Our mantra is what's difficult for you with income taxes, and insurance isn't really difficult for us because we deal with a lot more different scenarios than you do. But we will make an appointment to meet you in person if you feel more comfortable. That's always an option. All right, even busy or not. So that's something on the table also. So we're also adding more staff to help out. We have using technology. We're reaching out to everybody basically via mail, voicemail, text messages, email list to kind of let you know about upcoming IRS programs, our banking programs, like our referral program. We pay up to $100 every client you send our way. We also talk about our loan program, our refund advance program, pardon me. We loan up to $6,000 on your tax return pre-season and during the tax season up to March the 1st. Things like that. The 1099K situation, if you're accepting electronic payments, what the threshold where you should be reporting that. The correct answer is report all business income, no matter how little or small. If it's personal income, if it's gifted, don't worry about that so much right now. Let the IRS figure out what their stance is going to be on that. As of right now, it's a no stance. I know I made some video earlier saying that they were going to start going back and force you to claim all your income. Well, gifts don't count, and the IRS realizes that to a certain extent. So they're trying to get that washed out, figured out on their side. So as of right now, which is subject to change, that's not longer necessary for you to report that. Uh, that's all I'm going over right now. Oh, this is one more thing. I'm gonna say this repeatedly throughout the season. It is super important that you double check two things on your income tax return before it goes out the door. The first thing should be your banking, your accounting routing number. After a certain amount of time, ones start to blend together. 11111 look like 111. So your 3 ones look like four ones come midnight, come 1 p.m. Hell, sometimes even during the daytime when eye strain sets in. It's a human condition. It doesn't matter who's filing. It doesn't matter. It's just a simple mistake and cause you a big delay. So we ask our clients double check their information before they sign it. So check your banking information, accounting routing number, check your address. If you move during tax season, you need to contact the IRS. Okay, and here's why. If you have anything that comes up that's going to be a situation or issue, they have to ask questions. The only way the IRS is going to contact you is by mail. They don't contact us first. So does that mean we're going to have problems when we move? No, it doesn't mean you have problems when you move. You can move, and it cannot be a big deal. But this is really from our repeat clients or people who are expecting to move. It's best to get their address on file ahead of time. At least we have to notice that you're expecting to move, even if you haven't moved yet, because it's going to save you troubles down the line. because the IRS only uses mail to contact taxpayers, and if you move, they can't find you. So if you're missing a payment, like a refund, they need to ask more questions before they fund you. They're not going to go out the way to find you. And our office doesn't really have the manpower to spend time on the phone trying to play where's Waldo with your refund. So we're like, look, just be very honest with these people. Let them know, look, go ahead and let the IRS know that you moved, and let us know also so we can assist in the process as well. So hope to have a great tax season. Hope to have a great 2023. But we want to get some of our road rules established ahead of time so we're all on the same page. Now, if this was not clear to you, or you have a question that applies to you that I didn't answer, man, just drop a comment below or turn back around and send us an email. I'll leave the email address in the captions below. But we're here to help you. I mean, at the end of the day, we'll work for you, and we're being very upfront, and honest about our expectations of our relationship and our capabilities. We have limitations. Some things are not within our province of playing. So let's try to keep things on a basketball court that we can play in. Make sure all the information is double checked, making sure it's all going to the right place, and then from there we help you guys come up with solutions if you have a problem. I mean, I tell you right now, 95% of our clients don't have a problem. So I'm pretty confident in our ability to get people finished and done correctly the first time. But things happen, changes happen. Sometimes people don't give me all the information I need. Sometimes we don't ask all the questions, and people are unsure if they need to give me the information. I'm fine. I don't mind. I don't mind accepting responsibility, but I also don't mind going out to help people. But I want people to do what they can to lighten our workload and to make the process go a lot faster. Hey, thanks very much for watching and listening to me stumble through that